Hi, Chris here again. Today I want to teach you a little bit about the Osborne button machine. It's something that we carry at www.DIYupholsterysupply.com. Osborne is a company that's been around for about 150 years and are synonymous with upholstery tools and leatherworking tools. Anyhow, this is a standard button machine. It makes single buttons at a time. This is the actual machine itself, which you also need to have the dies that go with it. A die set, which we carry, come with a cutter, they come with a plunger, and of course the setter. You need a piece of fabric of whatever project you're working on. The best way to cut this fabric with the cutter that fits into our dies is fan it, meaning just fold it back and forth on top of each other till you have a nice bundle. Always give yourself a little extra because you need that for leverage. You want your handle of your button machine about this height when you get ready to plunge it to cut the fabric. I'm going to fold it in half here so I have enough to make a number of buttons. Set your cutter sharp side down, we all know that, on top of the fabric, and then place your fabric on the cutting platform and slide the whole set underneath the butt machine plunger. Take the handle and hold it into place, and then when you get comfortable where you think you're going to get a good set of buttons, just pull down. That noise is your button shapes being cut. And here we are. You got a number. You can cut as many as you need for whatever type of or whatever job you're working on. Step 1. Place the bottom half of the button mold into the button machine. I'll do that from this side so you can see there's a little opening there for it. Take the bottom half of the shell, which we're going to use a wire, you can use prong also, or even a screw stud head, and place it into the bottom half of the button mold. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. Take your fabric circle that you cut with the cutter and place it on top. Leave the plunger hanging down loose like that. Take the top half of your button shell and place it in the center of your fabric so it looks like that, and you'll also have a plunger or a dowel type piece of wood to place in the center of the top of your shell. Press it firmly into the bottom of your plunger, still letting your plunger extend out. Once that's set, the rest is simple. You place your plunger top die on top of the bottom half of the die and give it a shot. Sometimes with heavier fabrics, it depends. Always test on your fabrics to see how many shots that you're going to have to give it. I'm going to give this an extra shot because it is a velvet and it's a little heavier. You might not want to do that on vinyl, so sometimes it will cut if you hit too hard, but it's something that you can practice and get very good at. There you have a button ready to be put into your project. You add the twine, get it ready to be put into your chair, and how to install buttons will be another video. Anyhow, this is the Osborne button machine. You can get it at www.DIYupholsterysupply or call us with any questions. Thanks. Take care.